A debit card. That's all this looked like, until officers realized it was never actually a credit card at all.
We call it a cash card scheme. So this card is just as good as cash.
PayPal cards, that's what he got at Circle K. He was loading PayPal cards.
Where does it say about cash?
It is not a credit card. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
What is it considered?
It's a fake card.
On October 29, 2024, at an unspecified retail location in the United States, officers responded to a loss prevention report alleging a coordinated fraud scheme. According to store employees, the suspects paid for merchandise including baby monitors and breast pumps, using a card that was never actually charged, then returned identical items elsewhere for real cash.
Okay, hold up, Miranda. Hold up. Hold up. Let me talk to you.
I'm
How you
sorry,
doing?
what
Hold
did
up.
I do?
Hold up. Hold up. Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay, hold on. Here, walk
What
over to
did
this
I
car.
do wrong?
Put your stuff up on this. Put your stuff up on this hood.
What did I do wrong?
Put your stuff up on the hood. She's got him on FaceTime. He's in a car. Put your stuff up on the hood.
Hey, go over there. I think he's over there.
Why am I being
Sort of that guy right there.
Yep. That's him. He's got.
What's going on?
That's him right there.
Right there in the blue sweatshirt.
Put cuffs on. Hold on. Hold on. Open your door. Go. Go ahead. Go. He runs. Stay in your car, and I'll stay behind him. Demetrius. That's a... What's going on? Walk swing.
I got the phone.
Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise. Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise.
This is a different guy.
So does he.
For what?
Let you know. I don't know what it is.
What do I have a warrant for?
I don't know. I just told you. I don't know what it is.
I'm not here, though.
Anything in your coat? You have any firearms on you?
No.
Okay. Come and have a seat in the back of the car.
Okay, can I get
No,
my
not
stuff?
right now. The car for a little bit. We'll figure everything.
I need to grab my
Wait,
phone and stuff.
You don't need it right now
Why am I being
because you're under arrest. You have a warrant.
a warrant from where?
I don't know. I'll explain everything to you.
You
Just give us a
can't
minute.
explain everything now?
No, because I don't know what the warrant is for. That's why. I'll explain everything to you.
Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise.
Go ahead.
It might be someone else. Someone keeps trying to FaceTime her. I have it, just to let you know. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, I just
Yeah.
want to, like, get in your way. Thank
That's,
you.
don't hit my car, you'll be good.
Alright, sounds good.
What? You have, yes, you have a warrant.
For what?
Fair, I don't know. Theft, I think.
Huh? Excuse me.
What?
Hey,
You have a, oh, I don't know. I haven't, we're just trying to figure everything out. I don't know what the warrant's for. We got a warrant.
That detail is the legal hinge of this entire case, because the strength of that loss prevention report is what justified the stop in the first place. Under Terry v. Ohio, an investigative stop requires specific articulable facts, not a vague hunch. Here, the store's report included a dollar figure near $250,000, and more than 50 separate incidents nationwide, details specific enough to meet that threshold. Compare that to a generic tip, that someone looks suspicious, which courts have repeatedly found insufficient to justify a stop. Once Earl briefly ran on foot before officers caught him. That flight became an additional factor courts can weigh, as recognized in Illinois v. Wardlow, though flight alone never establishes reasonable suspicion by itself.
Okay.
A warrant for what, sir?
I don't know. I just told you.
Why don't you know?
Hi, Coach. What's 98 for Coley? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide to at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights that I've explained to you? You understand? Okay.
Okay, so do you guys have a case today? Is there a theft today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. On both or just one?
And I'd have to clear it for both. All I know is what happened. We were going up to another register. That's when someone said that they already brought these up there,
Okay.
and that they had claimed that it was a cash card, to cash it as cash,
They're,
and that it would take it off of his debit card.
and the debit card is what?
It's nothing.
It's a
There's
fake
no
card.
such thing as a card that does that.
There's no such thing.
There's no such thing as
We tried to say this was him, and we thought we didn't have the right guy, but
He has a mask on. I've never seen him without his mask.
right. But this is not
He's
him.
always wearing that.
It's similar, but it's not him. It looks like him, but he's got a tattoo here. So we ran him through Michigan. The original Demetrius Earl, it's him.
Demetrius Earl. That is his name.
Yep.
That's his
Yeah.
name.
And Ariana Cole.
Yep.
So they both do have warrants.
The arrest itself did not ultimately depend on resolving the theft allegations in the moment. Once officers confirmed active warrants for both individuals through a records check that alone supplied independent probable cause for arrest. Under Devenpeck v. Alford, an arrest is lawful if probable cause exists for any offense, even one not the officer's stated reason at the time. That principle matters here because officers were still sorting out the specifics of the theft case when the warrants were confirmed. Miranda v. Arizona then governs what happens next. The officer read Earl a complete rights advisement, including the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney, before any substantive questioning about the theft allegations began. That timing satisfies the custodial interrogation requirement Miranda establishes, because the warning came before, not after the questioning that mattered. Coley's situation raises a separate legal question entirely. Officers described her as present with Earl and carrying merchandise consistent with a similar attempted transaction, which pushes her exposure beyond mere association. Accomplice liability generally requires knowing assistance, not just physical proximity to the primary offender. Carrying near-identical merchandise for a comparable attempt is the kind of fact that can support that knowing element, though the transcript alone does not conclusively establish it. The store's own investigation also deserves scrutiny here. Employees initially doubted whether they had the right suspect because of a mask obscuring his face, then confirmed his identity using a visible tattoo and a records check. That kind of self-correction before making an accusation reduces the risk of misidentification driving an arrest.
So they're going for that. This is just a fake. But
Regardless.
the car over there has no plates on it at all. Comes back to her though. We ran the VIN.
Yeah.
There's a Walmart bag in the back seat. We don't know what's in it.
Probably like infants electronics, like baby monitors,
breast pumps.
electronic breast pumps.
So they got out the door with them. He did.
Yes, he did. He purchased those at 5:04 at register 23. Told the cashier that it's a cash card for 1608. Got $40 back in cash. Just no cash was given to him or to the cashier.
This was just him doing this part though, right?
The few seconds I saw at the register to get this timestamp was
Okay.
just him at the register.
Okay.
But it's usually he pays for it, does the scam. He'll go to another Walmart. She brings it in with the receipt and says, "I don't want this anymore. I want my refund," and we'll get that in
So
cash.
I'm still not tracking because I'm still here. So the debit card he used is fake, and how do you know that? I mean,
They never swipe it. They pretend to swipe it.
Okay.
They convinced.
And we don't charge you your card unless we hit credit.
So how did he get out the door with the stuff and a receipt?
Because he tells the cashier to cash him out as cash, and then he gets a receipt.
Cashier fell for a scam.
Yeah, we call it a cash card scam.
So
this card is just as good as cash.
Does he still have the card?
As far as I know, we don't take it.
Okay.
They
And I'd have to look at video again to tell you which card he used.
Said hit my phone on me this way.
And when we were on the phone and she was walking up, she had more merchandise that I assumed she was gonna attempt.
Yeah, it was almost the exact same stuff.
Yeah, she walked out with
But,
nothing.
yeah,
When they
ended
came up to
walking
the
out.
door to the corner here, she ran out the door. The
Did you see what the card looked like at all that he tried
I'd have to go back and look at
We'd
it
have to
again.
look at footage.
It's still up on the
You want me to go
screen.
take a picture of it? Send it
Yeah.
to you?
But they'll convince
So-
the cashier.
So we're gonna have another case on him.
They've been here before.
Yeah, he like $1,600 worth. That stuff in that car, he used a fake debit card to scam the cashier into selling him breast pumps and other things like that. So he's got that on him still. They don't know exactly which one it is yet. They're going to go inside and look, try to get a better look at what the card looks like because he's got all that property on him. So one of those cards he has on him, he used to scam the cashier into cashing him out, give him a receipt, but it was never purchased.
We never received cash.
I think so.
Is there a globe on that camera?
Yeah. So, yeah, don't take him just yet. Let's figure out what cards he has on him because we might take one.
They're ours.
Thought they were gonna.
Hers is through us. I don't know if his is through us or not.
He said it was. I didn't look at them, obviously. I didn't have time, but I knew Tiffany and Foster. One of them had the same issues, and they were also filing a charge.
was off 44 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000.
Can I see your phone?
Eagle eye.
I need
Good work.
Hey, hey.
Description and everything.
your calculator.
More ice cream?
Shit logs out at all 0052.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60.
Breast pump. PayPal cards. That's what he got at Circle K. He was loading PayPal cards.
Okay, let's stop. Let's stop, and we'll just do a search warrant on it. I like that option better.
Just take it to the yard.
Yep.
But there's more going on here, Ariana.
So I think we're just gonna do.
What's going on?
There's more stuff in there.
Like what? Like what?
Right now.
I'm just curious.
And it's
The
not a
website?
credit card.
Where does it say press cash?
It is not a credit card. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
What is it considered?
It's a fake card.
Well, we know that.
Yeah.
You've been using it forever. We know about all the gas station stuff. We know you guys very well. Tiffin, Fostoria. Trust
Who?
me.
I didn't do
All
none
the
of
police
that.
departments know about you guys, yeah.
No.
He's been doing this at the gas stations for a while. We
I
know.
wasn't.
I know, I'm saying him. We know him. You're just with him, so unfortunately.
Grading the officers here earns a B+. The stop was well supported by specific facts. The two suspects were separated immediately to prevent coordination. And the Miranda advisement was accurate and properly timed. The main shortfall was a lack of clear, real-time communication to both suspects about the actual basis for their warrants. Earl earns a D. The alleged scheme, spanning dozens of incidents and roughly $250,000, plus 2 separate prior warrants and a brief attempt to flee, places him at the low end of this analysis, despite his nonviolent compliance once caught. Coley earns a C+. Her cooperation during the stop counts in her favor, but her own separate warrant and the merchandise she carried complicate any claim that her involvement was purely incidental. The store's loss prevention team earns a B. Their willingness to double-check identity before finalizing an accusation reflects the kind of diligence that keeps a fraud case built on solid evidence, rather than an assumption. So how much can carrying the exact same items as someone under investigation actually expose a person to criminal liability? 3 takeaways stand out from this case. First, a detailed loss prevention report with specific figures and incident counts can meet the reasonable suspicion standard that a vague tip never could. Second, an outstanding warrant can independently justify an arrest, even while a separate, unrelated investigation is still unfolding. Third, association with someone under investigation can become legal exposure once your own conduct starts mirroring theirs. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.